Ever heard a Turkish person say yeah and wondered what it really means? Is it anger, surprise, sweetness, or just Turkish drama? Well, you are not alone. This tiny word yeah packs big emotion from frustration to affection and everything in between. In just a few minutes, you will learn how one word can speak volumes in Turkish. Merhaba arkadaşlar. Welcome to Turkish Language Academy. Our today's lesson is going to be very interesting because it is about a common and expressive word in everyday Turkish, that is ya. Ya. This includes meaning, usage, tone, example sentences, and English translation. Unlock the power of the Turkish word ya. It may look simple, but this little word is used in so many emotional, funny, and even dramatic ways in daily conversations. Learn how to use ya like a native speaker with real life examples and English translation. This lesson is for Turkish learners of all levels. Don't forget to subscribe to Turkish Language Academy for more fun and easy Turkish lessons. Let's get started. What is ya? Ya is a very commonly used interjection in spoken Turkish. It does not have a direct translation in English but expresses emotion, reaction, or emphasis. Think of it like, come on, hey, really, oh. Depending on how you say it, with your tone and expression, the meaning changes. Common usages with emotions. Annoyed. When you use ya in a situation that is annoyed, it will mean, oh, come on. For example, ya ama yeter artık. Ya ama yeter artık. Oh, but that's enough already. Sweet and soft. The meaning will be, oh, friendly. For example, ya çok tatlı olmuşsun. Ya çok tatlı olmuşsun. Oh, you look so cute. In a disappointed situation, it will mean seriously. For example, ya sen hala hazırlanmadın mı? Ya sen hala hazırlanmadın mı? Seriously, you are still not ready. In a funny and light mood, it means, come on, haha. Ya sen şaka mı yapıyorsun? Ya sen şaka mı yapıyorsun? Come on, are you joking? In a frustrated mood. Oh, oh. For example, ya yeni mi o film? Ya yeni mi o film? Oh, that movie again? Yeah, is all about tone. Just like in English we stretch hey. In Turkish, yeah can be stretched yeah to show emotion. Practice sentences. Yeah, that movie was so good. Yeah, çok güzeldi o film. Yeah, çok güzeldi o film. Come on, you are really exaggerating. Yeah, sen de amma abarttın. Yeah, sen de amma abarttın. Oh, just stop already. Ya, bir artık. Bir artık. Ya, bir artık. Oh, what a cute cat. Ya, ne tatlı bir kedi. Ya, ne tatlı bir kedi. Final tip for learners. Try saying ya out loud with different emotions. For example, in happy mood, yeah. Annoyed, yeah. Surprised, yeah. Sad, yeah. This will help you sound more natural and understand native Turkish better. I'm not very good at expressing different emotions, but you can get better with practice. Let me know how well you did. I hope you liked today's video. Be sure to let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Turkish Language Academy. Thanks for watching. Görüşürüz.